Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. Today I already have my reading glasses ready in order to dive into this huge package I got from Ipsy. And it was kind of open. I'm not going to deny that it wasn't. So I'm hoping nothing like fell out, but we'll see what's inside. Oh, this is the stuff that I've been waiting on. This is from the new subscription that Ipsy has. It's called My Refreshments. If you haven't checked out my prior video on that, I'll post that somewhere here, or at the end of the video. But I'll just dive in and show you what I have. I changed up my initial subscription. It was going to be that, when you first join, you get a free razor and a set of blades. And if you want to continue it, then you just let it continue. And it's like $5 a month. But if you want to add other things, then of course you can, and they give you an option, in advance to let you know, hey, we're gonna be sending your stuff soon. And normally what they do is they send everything in the same bag. So I'll be interested to see. I think maybe my oversized Ipsy Glam bag is also in there because they usually try to send everything together. I thought I was gonna get something for last month, but I don't think it happened. So I guess it came this month because I switched up the order. Because up to that point, and I know I'm rambling, I only had the shaver. I only had the shavers, the actual blades come. It's a 2-pack that would come, on automatic every month, $5. But I decided to just add a couple of more things. So the first thing that I added was something called Pearly body wash. I'm dying to try this, just to step out of the box a little. And the prices are fairly reasonable, and I love the fact that it's so colorful. You'll see what I mean. So this is the body wash. I'm gonna try it and see. It says Pearly body wash in citrus spritz. So I don't know if this is closed inside. So we'll see. We'll see. Yes, it is. That's beautiful. Oh, it has not for nothing, but this smells more like a hairspray that I've used in the past, and I can't place which one it is. But yeah, it smells like a hairspray. Maybe Tresemme? It kind of smells like a hairspray. But still, it says Pearly body wash in a citrus spritz. So I'm definitely gonna try that. Try again, step out of my comfort zone. It's made out of like a plastic here, so it's not glass, so that's good. And it reads, lather gloriously, sing, shimmy, rinse. I wouldn't so much as shimmy in the shower, it's, but you know what I mean. Do you know what I like about the Refreshments series that it's called My Refreshments from Ipsy? They include such a cute bag to put everything in. So Ipsy. So Ipsy. The next thing I have from the My Refreshments line is their Breezy deodorant. And this is in the scent of Eucalyptus Julep. I am really trying hard, and I keep having a start-stop relationship with deodorants, especially natural ones that don't include, extra chemicals or aluminum. The issue is these natural deodorants have yet to solve the problem of sweat. Yeah, we're supposed to perspire, we're supposed to sweat. Yeah, great. But the whole point of having this is that when you perspire, we naturally have bacteria within and on our skin. And this bacteria sees the water and starts to consume and take part of it. And part of the byproduct of that is they release this gas. That's the terminology I've read or understand to be. And this gas is the odor that we smell for armpit odor. So if you don't stop the perspiration, then you're not going to stop the odor. Because as much as you want to balance the naturalness about it, which I am all for, and some are better than others as far as the scent, but it does not kill the main culprit of what body odor is. And until they do, I can't be totally on board. And there are times when I just try to just give my armpits a break. And normally, like on weekends, or if I know I'm not going anywhere for the next 48 hours, I don't wear deodorant to give my body a chance to purge whatever's sitting in the pores. But Other than that, I feel like I have to use antiperspirants for that reason. So long story short, that's where I am. Eucalyptus julep. Okay. Oh, there's the packaging. I already smell it. It smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision. This smells really natural. I smell the eucalyptus. It smells like I have plants of my herbal plants growing, which I didn't get around to this season just yet. And we're already in the end of June, so I'm like so behind. But that's not your problem. That's mine. Okay. So the next thing I have here, wait a minute, is that it? I thought I got more. Wait a minute. Oh. And don't forget, these are where my blades come in, like 2 blades for my razor. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Wow, I am so delighted. Is there anything else? I thought I had one. Oh, yes, I do. Here's the next thing I got. This is also from my Refreshments. This is the Pillowy Shave Cream in Citrus Spritz, which matches the Pearly Body Wash. So all around citrus-like scent. I can't wait to try it. I'm sure it smells the same. But you notice how the different coloring of the packages? Pinks, you know, and peaches and lime green, very spring-like fun. Like this would look nice on somebody's counter in their bathroom or in their medicine cabinet. I think it would just be so cute. Okay, there's a protective seal I see. There it is. I don't smell it right away, but let me see what it looks like when you, and it's in a tube as opposed to, I'm used to the nozzle as far as pushing out, you know, the can with the pressurized, but that's how it looks. It almost looks like a body cream or a face cream that you apply. So this will be interesting. It does smell similar to the Pearly Body Wash, but slightly different, if that makes sense, even though it's the same scent. It's very creamy. Like I said, it's like a lotion, but I wonder if it bubbles up or something. Oh yeah, it does. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. And then you just shave. Oh, I can't wait to try this. And again, it has that hairspray type of scent. And for the life of me, I can't, is it Tresemme? I don't know. It's like one of those sprays that has that scent. You know what I mean? I don't know. If I'm making any sense, let me know in the comments below. If it's Tresemme, it's one of those, it just smells like a hairspray to me. So I'm gonna leave it at that. That is my selection for my Refreshments, the new division for skincare and bath care that's coming from Ipsy. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried the subscription, if you're at the base level where you just, you know, get the blades every month, or have you gotten a little curious and tried some of their other products. Now it does say that they offer flexibility. You don't have to have the same thing every time. You can mix it up. You can make the order shorter or make it back to basic with the shavers, or you can switch it up and say, you know what, I don't want shaving cream this month. I want shampoo. I think they have a shampoo, which I haven't tried yet because I don't know about shampoo just yet. But the deodorants, I think they have 2 other scents, and I could have sworn I picked a lavender one, but I don't see it here. I'm assuming it may come in the next batch, which I believe the next batch will be coming in July. So stay tuned for that. And I will be giving an update by then as to this stuff, because I'm going to try it now, just to give it a month's time, or at least several weeks, just to see how these products work and what I experienced. But let me know in the comments below what you have tried and what you think. Do you think Ipsy is doing a great idea with this whole bath skincare line? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching and taking time out of your day to check out this video. And yeah, I hope to see you on my next video. Take care, stay safe, bye.